Hey guys, welcome to Heart Deco Wonders. We have another crazy cool episode. We are showing you our 6-piece bathroom set, how to install and how beautiful it looks. So it comes packed into the bin. All of it is inside, so we're just gonna unpack that quickly and then show you how to set everything up and all the details and features. So first, we're gonna take the toilet brush. So it comes in a package like this. And then we also have the pump for the soap, and then the brush for the toilet brush. We have a toothbrush separator. I think you can also use this for other things. And then we have a cup, which you can use to rinse your mouth with, a soap bar, and then we have the pump for the soap, and then a lid for the toilet brush. And then you also have a bin. It is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful in gray. It has like a little of a bamboo lid, and I think it just looks amazing in modern homes. So there are only these 3 things that we need to install in the 6-piece set, and the easiest one is the lid of the bin. So just gonna put that on top. Then you have a beautiful bin. Okay, so now we're going to install the toilet brush. We have 4 pieces of the toilet brush, and then we're gonna take the head, connect it to the pole with the black, just like that. Then you're gonna place the lid just here at the bottom, and then you're gonna connect the long pole in between, like that. And then we're gonna place that into the toilet brush holder, and there you have a beautiful toilet brush. Last thing we're gonna install is the soap dispenser, which has a pump. You're gonna come down, take the plastic tube, make sure you are inserting the flat end and not the end that has a bit of a groove. You're just gonna insert that there. And then you're gonna fill the cup with soap or whatever you want on the inside, lotion. Okay, and then you're gonna place the lid on the top of the container, and then you're gonna put your pump in and just turn to fasten. Okay, so that is our 6-piece bathroom set. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is available online at www.heartdeco.co.za, and it is perfect for modern homes.